Every application on a Mac creates cache files in your system. Cache files generally help your computer run faster. However, if the cache volume becomes too large, your Mac will run slower. We will show you 3 ways to clear the cache on your Mac. First, we present an automatic way to clear any caches and cookies on your Mac. The fastest and safest way to do this is to use a cleaning utility from Nectini called Mac Cleaner Pro. Follow these steps. Launch Mac Cleaner Pro. Go to the Cleanup section. Select the Cache Files category. Alternatively, you can select which cache files you want to remove. Click the Review and Cleanup button. Confirm the removal. The second way to remove Chrome caches is to do it via the browser. Follow these steps. Open Chrome. Go to the browser preferences. Click on Privacy and Security from the sidebar. Click Clear Browsing Data. Check the types of data you want to clear and choose the time range. Click Clear Data. The last way is clearing the system and user caches manually right in Finder. Do the following. Quit all running applications on your Mac. Open Finder. Go to the Finder menu. Select Go. Click Go to Folder. Type ~library/caches in the window currently displayed and press Enter. In the cache folder, find the folders related to a specific application and move these files to the trash. Note that you should remove cache files in each subfolder rather than the subfolders themselves in order to avoid any errors. You must also be careful not to remove system cache folders, those with the COM Apple words in the names. That's it. As you can see, the quickest way to clear the cache is to use Mac Cleaner Pro.